Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your account with Amazon, start by visiting the Amazon website or opening the Amazon app on your device. Locate the sign in option and click on it. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the email address or mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Click the Continue button to proceed. You will receive an email or text message with a password reset link. Check your email or messages for the password reset notification. Open the email or message and click the link provided. You will be directed to a password reset page. Create a new password, ensuring it meets Amazon's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Once done, click on the Save Changes button. If prompted, log in again with your new password. You are now successfully reconnected to your Amazon account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon's customer support for assistance. You can find their contact information on the Amazon help page. Follow the process carefully to ensure your account is reset securely. Your Amazon experience will now be refreshed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.